News at 5:30.
And back live outside in San Francisco, where a couple of thousand people have gathered at Montgomery and Post in San Francisco for a rally that started with a march from Justin Herman Plaza and wound up outside the offices of Senator Dianne Feinstein. We've been listening and checking in throughout the afternoon as a number of speakers have come to the podium. They're trying to send a message of immigration reform. And again, a couple thousand people have gathered there. While we continue with this live picture, we should tell you that earlier today, African-American clergy members from the East Bay gathered today in Oakland to show their support for immigration reform. Let's listen in.
Immigrants are the foundation of our economic system. Stand by.
And again, the live pictures in San Francisco. The clergy earlier today also shared stories from members of their congregations about how families have been separated from one another due to deportation associated with immigration. And that's one of the reasons that immigration reform is wanted. A number of families are concerned that they are separated because of the way the rules are set up right now, and they want to send a message to Senator Dianne Feinstein and legislators in Washington.